In this lesson, we're going to translate a point on a coordinate plane. So if we have a problem like this that says translate point s comma 4 units to the right. So we have to translate point s 4 units to the right. What are the coordinates of the new point? So first step is to understand what a translation is. A translation slides a figure to a different location. In this case, we have a point that we're going to slide to a new location. Step 2 now is label the x and y coordinate for point S. So S, we could see the x coordinate is 2 and the y coordinate is 4. So S, x and y is 2, 4 on the graph. So next thing is add 4 units to the x coordinate to find the new point. So now s becomes s prime. So we're going to add 4 units to this. 4 plus 2 is 6. So s prime becomes 6, 4. And here it is. Notice this is the same as sliding the point 4 units to the right. So we just slid the unit 4 units to the right and we found the new coordinates that are 6, 4. And that's the end of that lesson. And don't worry if you didn't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in it, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's a link in the ebook that'll take you right to this video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.